All right. For this assignment, your goal is to research and analyze the energy sources being used in the city or county of your choice. You're going to create a plan for change and how your region can make better choices with the opportunity to use renewable resources. You're also going to become better at reading and understanding maps. This includes keys, legends, things like that. You're also going to work on research methods and learning how to distinguish between credible sources and those that are not. Now, here's your assignment directions. You're going to choose a city or county of your choice. Find your city or county on this map. It's right here. And it's a really good map. This is the link to it. I want you to play around with this map. It has many fun features that could help with research. Okay. After you find it on the map, you've looked at all of the different features that it has. Complete more research using credible sources. Think .gov, .org, .edu. Remember, we need credible resources, legit resources. You're going to compile your research and create a plan for how your region can produce more energy more efficiently. And then you're going to create a presentation on TikTok that is a minute long, presenting what you found and your plan for change. Get creative, okay? Make this as exciting as you want. The more exciting, the better. Now, here's the plan for grading. I will be grading based on participation and thoroughness during your 1-minute presentation. Since the presentation isn't super long, I don't expect a whole lot in it, but the more you have, the better. So the more information you present and the amount of thought you put into your change plan, that's what I'm going to be looking for. I will be taking into account how much creative liberty is taken while creating your TikTok. I know that TikTok has a lot of different settings, so get adventurous with it. Do your best and let your work speak for you. Do not stress so much about the grade, but work on learning about your region and creating a plan for change. Okay, I want you learning. Show me what you know. And that's our assignment, so do your best. I'm excited to see what you come up with.